Here we go. Oh, please, Lola. It's not going to be so bad. It's not going to be so bad. I know. I know. It's okay. I know. Oh, gosh, just hold on so tight. All right. George said if you grab them like this, they release some chemical and it relaxes them. All right. Okay. There. What a good girl.
Let's not stick her nose in the water.
What a good girl. Can I have a cup?
Mm-hmm.
What a good girl, Lola. Good girl. Oh, she's being good. Now, I have to get the underside of you tonight. Remember last time I forgot? Oh, it's all right. It's okay. I don't know what that means. What does that mean, Lola? What does she say? What does it sound like? What does it sound? What the heck does that sound like? What? Tell me again. You want Janine? Do you want Janine? It sounds like something. I just can't figure it out. All right. See how you're being such a good girl. Good girl, Lola. Here, lie down. No. Lie down. What the heck does that sound like? I can't. Sounds like she's gargling. What? What is it? You're doing good. You're doing good. I gotta get your belly. You're all dirty. Can you see your face? Good. All that dander coming off of you the other day? Don't get any ideas. I know. You're being so good. I think I'm losing water.
You want me to put it on for you?
I don't know if I dare turn it on. She might go nuts.